Vlasta, how often do you visit events like that?
Well, first of all, I would like to say something about me. I'm a manager of company Ekomo. We are dealing with waste management and logistics, and we are part of Slovenian Union in Italy, in Trieste, for many years. And I'm really glad that I'm here. I would like to connect with other Slovenian companies because I think networking is very important. We can help each other, we can make better and stronger connection, and that is good for all of us.
You are healthness coach. How would you recommend people how to keep their health?
You can be successful if you are not healthy. So the most important thing is to take care of your health, take care of your body. What Jim Rohn used to say, take care of your body. It is the only place you really live. So we have 5 habits for people who are healthy. First of all, when you wake up, connect with yourself. Just be you, maybe stretch a little bit, then think how would you like to feel about your body, but you can choose how to feel. You can choose how to get through the day, or to be happy, or just to be angry and mad and I have to be active and proactive. Or you can say, I would like to feel fine and good and put something new in this day. And then of course you have to take care what you take in your body. Good health, nutrition, nutrients are the most important things. Please don't count calories, just focus what is good for your body. And hydration is the most important thing. Exercise, just keep moving, be in moving all the time. Of course, we have to take care of our mind. Mindset is the most important thing in this, because what you think you can become. And in the end of the day, be grateful for things you achieved, and look forward for new things that are coming into your life, and take care of yourself and then take care of the others too.
Thank you very much.